Hi everyone, welcome to Funcraft Kidos. Today I'll show you how to make cartoon food items. I'm gonna call my bro because he also wanted to learn how to draw these four things. So, bro, where are you, bro? I'm here. Careful, bro. So, what are we drawing today? Today, I'm going to show you how to draw these four things. A frog macaron, a bear cheeseburger, a hedgehog potato, and a watermelon saying summer with cool shades. So, the things you need are a pencil, a brown color, a yellow color, a blue, a green, a red, a darker green, and a peach color. First, hamburger fold. Fold your paper.
It's called a hamburger fold.
And then open it. This is two. Fold it again. It's a hot dog fold. Do this hot dog fold. Are you done?
Yeah.
So let's start with a frog macaron. Froggy, froggy, frog. Make
Frogs.
a line curving like an upside down U. Then make another upside down U. Then make the frog eyes.
Done.
Then curve it down like this.
Like a pea ingot.
And then add a cute little froggy smile. Good.
Getting learned isn't that?
Now, after, make the bottom part of the macaron. This is a frog macaron.
Frogaron.
Next, bro, we will make a bear cheeseburger.
Bear burger.
So make a little ear.
For a burger.
Make an other over here.
Done.
Oh, okay. So after, bro, you make the bottom. Make little eye.
I'm gonna make mine winking. This silly face.
Sure. And then add a little grumpy smile.
I'm gonna eat another.
Sure. Make a little grumpy smile. And then make that. After, let's add some lettuce to the burger. Next, add a few tomatoes.
Tomato.
I'm making mine connected. You don't have to. Okay, I'll just start, okay? You could catch up. Make some cheese. Cheesy burger.
No.
Cheese. Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
Squares!
Now let's make some beef, like the patty. Next, you make the bottom bun. Next, you'll draw a hedgehog. Sonic the Hedgehog. Like an upside down W, but no like pointy parts. A wiggly W.
Something believes on
It kind of looks like a heart. make little eyes.
It's gonna resist.
Should be cute eyes for a hedgehog. Next, a little nose, like an upside down triangle. All around this little heart looking thing, make some fuzzy little fur.
Where are the arms?
You'll see.
Arms, don't they?
The arms are actually at the end. Make little arms. You want
Back legs.
okay.
Hind legs.
Last is a watermelon. A triangle with no bottom, like an open triangle.
2 sides and 1 corner.
Make a bit curvy on the bottom, like not a straight. So next, add a tiny little line over here.
For like that white part.
Yeah, the white part of a
there's white.
watermelon. And then make on the bottom a bit thicker than the white part. If it's the same, it kind of looks like more white part. Now,
Watermelons have like
yeah, you're like me. Guess what this watermelon is missing?
seeds and a face. A silly
Yeah.
face.
Yeah, so on the top, add a few little lines for seeds, but leave a little room in the middle for the eyes. So next, you can make any silly face you want. I'm gonna make some glasses. Sunglasses.
Shades.
Okay. Now I'm gonna give it a smile.
Mine's gonna be a nerd.
Okay. And my watermelon is saying summer.
Mine will say science.
Okay, yours like science.
It's a nerd. Some books in the background.
Sure. You could add any detail you want. Okay, then it's time to, what are they missing?
Coloring.
I'm gonna start with a little frog. And we have to share the markers, Sharpies. I hope you liked today's video. It's our first video. Like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this.